Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and this is a chart of the Dow Jones Industrial. It's a cash chart of that index, and this goes back 2 months. I'm just going to show you some of the turns identified by the turning points, signals that I have here. First trade actually, that looks like this is a signal. When it goes below the red line here, the bar's going to turn red, and that would constitute just a signal. Under certain conditions, this here is a secondary signal, as would be this here as well, and you can mark that as well. But reversal is going to be where bars go up, crossing this line right here, going from this white area to the green, as identified by here. So just go through this and just take a look at some of those turning points, and you can see that was May 15th back here. The market moved down. I mean, a turning point there. There's quite a bit. Let's see how many points that was. That was roughly 500 points from up here to down here. And each bar represents 30 minutes. Okay, here's a short signal here. It moves sideways for several days. And just pointing out just the raw signal. I'm not really saying much about anything else. There's this, let's see, 150 points from signal to signal, but to the low and or around here, as the indicator starts moving up, you can see that would be a pretty safe exit for someone who not wanted to give profit back. New signal long right here, and that carries you all the way up to that top. It's about 300 or 400 points. A new signal short, and that was about June 23rd. You can see the date down here. New signal short, actually this looks like it could even be a bar over right there, but it doesn't matter too much, just right there. I'm just kind of trying to point that out. The two, I have these coordinated, just some custom settings that I'm using to kind of help match what I'm trying to accomplish. You can see that drop from here, 400 to 99 is about 500 points. And we have a new signal long just based off of this here. And that was July 8th, I see down here, July 7th. The last move up took us up about 350 points until we just recently had a signal short. And that's where we're at right now. So this is about where I would expect this market to at least kind of touch down here and or here. And if the market was going to hold like I think it's going to, gain its footing and then rally, attempt to break over this high and then some. That's what I'm expecting, and we'll just let the chart tell us if in fact that is exactly going to happen or not. The chart tells all, and that's pretty much understanding and knowing how to read price action is going to be able to let you spot the turns. So this is where I'm expecting prices to go after. If this market really is going to take off like I expect it to, it's going to need to get over this last high where it had trouble getting over. You could see it attempted to do it here, but too much of a move all at once. Market's just coming back to fill in the hole here. So any case, that's what you can expect over the next couple of days here as the market pulls back. Hopefully it'll gain its footing somewhere in this range right in here, and then we'll be attempting to rally and take out this high right here. And then at that point you're going to see a big rally, big move. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm just sharing that with those who want to listen. So anyway, it's just my opinion, but that's where we are right now in the big picture. So thanks for tuning in, and thanks for stopping by, taking a look at the video, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day and a good rest of the weekend. Vince, Sniper Day Trading, over and out.